Welcome to our interior design guide on transforming your bedroom with dark wood flooring. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of decorating your space using a variety of key components. Whether you want a cozy retreat or a stylish sanctuary, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk about the foundation. Dark wood flooring sets the tone for your entire bedroom. It's elegant and timeless, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Ensure your flooring is properly installed and well maintained to make the most of it. Your bed is the centerpiece of the room. Choose a bed frame and headboard that match the dark wood flooring for a cohesive look. Consider the style and size that best fits your space. Nightstands and a dresser are essential for storage and functionality. Opt for dark wood pieces that complement your bed. These not only provide storage but also add symmetry and balance to your bedroom. A spacious wardrobe or closet keeps your clothes organized and your bedroom clutter-free. Dark wood finishes add a touch of luxury and sophistication. Let's talk lighting. Bedside lamps provide ambient lighting and style. Choose lamps that match your dark wood theme. You can also consider a ceiling fan or light fixture to enhance the overall ambience. Window frames should complement your dark wood flooring. Dress your windows with curtains or blinds that tie the room together. This not only adds privacy but also helps control natural light. Wall paneling is a fantastic way to add texture and character. Dark wood paneling can create a focal wall that adds depth to your room. Consider built-in shelving to display your favorite decor pieces. A full-length mirror is a functional and stylish addition. It reflects light and makes the room appear larger. Place it strategically to maximize its impact. Enhance your bedroom's comfort and style with accent chairs and an area rug. These pieces provide cozy seating and softness to the dark wood flooring. To complete the look, consider adding a fireplace mantle, crown molding, baseboards, ceiling beams, and wall art. These personal touches give your bedroom character and make it uniquely yours. And there you have it. By carefully selecting and arranging these components, you can transform your bedroom into a luxurious and inviting space. Don't forget to infuse your personality into the design to truly make it your own. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating!